This is how we use the washing machine in the Lynx 1007. Before you use the machine, please make sure that the switch in the upper part for the washing machine is on. This is the switch I'm talking about. Make sure that it's on. And you can simply open the door, load your clothes or whatever you want to wash, close the door. You can put your detergent here, the powder detergent or the liquid one, close it. To turn on the washing machine, you simply click on this button, and then you can select the desired program. So for example, cotton, you simply can then click on play, and the machine will start